Tricia Turner here, broker of Tricia Turner Properties. As you know, we are doing a spotlight of local businesses in the area. We're spotlighting one every week. This week, we are coming to you with Bob Dahl of Dollhouse Windows, and we are super excited to have him here with us and tell us a little bit about him and his business. So Bob's information is going to be on the screen the whole time. Make sure that you copy it down and get a hold of him. He does amazing work, referred a ton of business to him, and now we are going to learn a little bit about him. So Bob, tell us how long you've been in the industry and what you do for a living.
Well, I've been doing dollhouse window cleaning services and pressure washing for 6.5 years now. Started back in 2011.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, we do window cleaning on residential and small commercial properties, and also pressure washing and some gutter cleaning.
Okay. Do you have employees, or is this trying to be you doing the whole thing?
Most of the time it's me doing it all, but I've had people in the past help me. They've come and gone, and I'm always looking for part-timers to help me out with the work.
Hear that? Job, he needs help, definitely. And he's a great guy. My son did it too. Okay, so what do you like most about your job and why?
What I like most about the job is the relationships that I build, not just with the clients and customers, but with people like you and other people in small business, because everyone is so willing to help. And 99% of the customers I have are great, honest customers that are trusting, and the other people that I know in business themselves is just great people and helpful, very helpful.
Isn't that nice?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you like least about your job?
Working working on days like this. It's extremely hot during these days, especially in August, which seems to be the hardest month as far as temperatures are concerned. And when you're up on the second story ladder and the sun's beating down on you, that's when I wish I had never done this. But
You wish you were inside, right?
yeah. But it goes with the territory, and it doesn't last long.
No. But then you do get to go inside because there's inside windows too.
Yes, I do get to go inside, and I get to go home at night too.
Yes, you do. Okay, so what do you think is your biggest challenge in your business?
The biggest challenge is to maintain consistent long-term customers, both in business and residential, because in the commercial industry, one of the most coveted things to have is corporate accounts,
I bet.
where I have larger accounts that I do on a consistent basis, much like yours. And on the residential end of it, we have a quarterly service plan that are repeat customers every quarter, which is another direction I'm going. So
That's good.
the biggest challenge is having repeat customers.
That's a good thing to get, because the windows, when they're clean, it makes such a huge difference in a home. Huge difference, especially if you're thinking of selling your home. You better be calling Bob Dahl, because that's amazing. What is your biggest pet peeve in your industry? Like, thing just irritates you?
The thing that irritates me most is the customers who are never happy. No matter what you do, you're never happy. But it comes with the territory, like in most businesses, and you just have to deal with it. It's just another challenge that you deal with in almost any business, and it helps you to be able to cope with everybody better, not just the difficult ones.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Okay, so if you weren't doing this, what would you be doing? What do you see yourself doing if you weren't doing this for a living?
Well, I do have a side business, as you know, which is in the art industry, cartooning and so forth, and so I do that now. So if I weren't doing window cleaning and pressure washing full time, I would likely be doing that.
That's what your passion is. That's where your heart is. Yeah. And
I'll
he
be
does an awesome job at it.
I'll be doing that till I'm old and toothless.
He's at all events, you guys. You can book him for that too. They're so cute. Okay, what is your favorite charity and why?
Well, most of the charities that I am partial to are veteran charities, such as Wounded Warriors Project, and there's a local VA clinic not far from here. I'd like to get involved.
That would be good.
With some volunteer work with the veterans who have, post-traumatic stress syndrome or maybe some disabilities, and they need attention. I'd like to somehow get involved with them.
Bob was in the military, so make sure you talk to him about that because it's an amazing story, just one that'll captivate you. So you got to ask him about that. Even if you just call him to ask about that, do that. What is one thing you'd like for people to remember you for?
Well, then I'm a trustworthy, good worker. I do a good job, and people would be able to trust me and to do a good job. And so many times the customer trusts me beyond that which I would even think is reasonable. They'll give me the key to their house and say, just bring it to me when you're done, I'll be at work.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so
Trust.
I can't violate that trust, and so the one thing I want to be remembered for is someone that's very reliable and trustworthy.
I love that. Okay, where do you see yourself and your business in the next 5 years?
Well, there's a saying that goes, I want to live a life that doesn't require my presence, which simply means that I want the company to get it within 5 years to a point where it pretty much runs itself with other people, and I'm just sort of standing back
Managing
pointing, yeah, which way to go.
Delegating?
Delegating.
Barking orders?
Something like that.
Yes. That's a good answer. You'll get there too. You will. You guys, this is Bob Doll. His information is on the bottom of our screen. Please reach out to him. Pressure washing, window cleaning, give him a call. He's amazing. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks.